Now let us create a 3D design for this solar car. To do that, click on Create and then Code Blocks. First, we're going to send a message that says that I am building this car body. So car body. So this is just to show people what you're doing. Now let's add the shapes. You add the first shape, which is a box. You make it a solid color by clicking on this circle over here, and then you choose the dimensions. We're going to choose 25 for the width, 58 for the length, 19 for the height, and then 0 and 10 for the edge and edge step. Then we move that shape to 0, 0, 10. Then we add another shape. However, this shape would be transparent. So I'm clicking on this circle. And then it would be 25, 50, 19, and 0, 10. Then you move to 0, minus 25, and 20. Then you rotate around the x-axis by 20. Then you copy, but you choose the second circle, which is the transparent circle, okay? Then you rotate around the x-axis by minus 35. Then you move to 0, 41, and 3. So this is the location of your shape. Then you add a new shape, and this shape would be also transparent. And let's extend it. It would be 25, 58, 10. Then 0 and 5. Then you move to 0, 0, negative 2. Then you create group and you choose solid color, but we're gonna make it a bit white. Then you're gonna put a comment. The comment would be wheel cut. Then you add a cylinder shape and you make it transparent over here. Then you have it as 55, 50, so a radius of 5, height of 50, sides of 0, and then 0 edge and 0 steps. Then you rotate around the y-axis by 90 degrees from pivot. Then you move to 0, 18, and 5. Then you copy and then you keep the solid color circle highlighted. Then you move to 0, minus 38, and then 0. And then you create group, also solid color. Then you put a comment, trunk, then you add a shape, so it's 20, 20, 10, 0, 10. So now this would be the trunk. Then we move that to X0, Y20, Z15, and then we create a group. And that group, we will highlight the solid color. Okay, now we put this a bit on the side, and we go down, we get create new object. We will rename the variable. We will call it wheels. So now we are designing the wheels. You'll add the shape of a box. Oh, sorry, shape of a cylinder because it's a wheel. And then you'll choose a solid color, but let's make a more reasonable color than orange. And you have a radius of 4, height of 5, sides of 50, and then edge of 2, and then edge step of 3. Then you rotate around the y-axis by 90 degrees. Okay. Then moving on, we will move to X11, Y18, Z5. Then we copy. Then we move again to X minus 22, Y0, Z0, and we create group. Moving on, we can copy and then move to 0, minus 38, and 0. Now, say this is separate, do not connect it to anything. Wind, shield, and then you add a shape of a box with 2021 because it's a bit small, then 0 and 10. Then you move to 0, minus 15, and then 13.5. Then you rotate around the x-axis by 20 degrees. Then you say, or a markup, we say another message, which is the solar panel. Solar panel location. And then you add and make sure you choose the transparent port, and then should be 40, 30, 1, 0, and 10. Then we move to 0, 15, and 13.5. And then we rotate around the x-axis by -15 from pivot. Okay, so these are all simple commands. Let us see how they look like when we actually play these steps. So you can play step by step by clicking here. It will go through each and every part. If you click with your cursor and you move it, so you click and hold, you will be able to see the 3D part of what you're drawing. Okay, let us call this solar car. Enter. And now let us start from the beginning and play. So car body, we have the box, we have the other boxes, and then we tilted them. We removed everything we do not need. We put the wheels, as you can see. We also put the windshield and the solar panel. And here you have your 3D design of the car. Everything is perfect. If you have any mistake, make sure that every option you choose over here is exactly the same.